Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing from the company ArtBusy. Now I have done a couple unboxings for this company prior to this one, and I have been really impressed with the products. They do come in this plain black box. There's nothing on it. It does have a shipping bag on this, but it has all your info and everything on it. But the cool thing about the shipping bags, the shipping sticker that the company puts on there actually tells you what this is. It has that it's from ArtBusy, and it has that this is, the name of the canvas on here. So it's really nice, I think, to know what this is before I have to, unbox it and stuff. So it did have a little bit of damage in shipping, but that is not going to have anything at all to do with what's inside. So I am going to go ahead and open this, and we're going to look at it. Okay, and that is all that's in the box, so let's get rid of the box. Now this is poured glue. Comes with your toolkit and drills, which I am just going to roll this back just a little bit so that it can be just relaxing a tad, because it doesn't take much. Alright, so you can see that this does have a flocked, very soft, I don't know if you can tell or not. My lighting sucks, I know. But this is a very soft, flocked backing on this canvas. And it is scalloped, which will help with fraying. Alright, so it does come with your toolkit. To me, this is a step up from that green boat and pink pen. So I always like to see these upgraded, I think like a level 2, if you want me to get technical. The green boat pink pen is your basic, which is a level 1. And then this, I think, would be a level 2. And then the better they get, the better, the numbers. But it does come with your little white boat with a spout, a long piece of pink wax. It comes with your standard single placer pen, but this one also comes with a little 3-placer, and then it comes with the metal bent tweezers. I'll think of it here in a minute. Alright, so we'll look at this here in just a second. But it does come with the inventory sheet. So let me flip this around. Now the cool thing about this company is that you can pick what size you want to do. You can pick what kind of drills you want to do. You can pick whether or not you want just your regular round drills or regular square drills, or if you want to add round ABs or round fairy dust. Same with squares. You can add square ABs or square fairy dust. Now, I will say, the drills that come with this, they are acrylic. Just your regular round or square drills, they are going to be acrylic. But your ABs and your fairy dust are going to be resin. Okay? So, the other thing about this is if you decide you want fairy dust or ABs, you're guaranteed at least 2 in your kit. Now, I guess you could say it would be kind of a surprise once you go through on how many ABs or how many glitter drills that you get, but you're guaranteed 2. But you could get more, but you're guaranteed 2. So this one I chose AB, and I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs in this one. Okay, this is a 45 by 45, and I did get round. This is the item number for this canvas. Now, this canvas is actually got a name. What is the name of this canvas? This is called Three Witches. Enjoy the Tranquility of the Night. And this is by Kimmy. And something I did not know when I unboxed the last one that I got from the same artist, because I really like the imagery of this artist. She is actually a YouTube creator, and she has her own channel, which I will link in the description box, along with the company, the canvas, all the things will be in my description box. Y'all check that out. So this has got 40 colors. Like I said, there are, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. So let's go ahead and pull these out. I love how they've got these pre-bagged, and you can see on their bags that they're going to have the name of the company. This is bag 33. There's the DMC number and then the weight. Okay? And they're really nice and very bright colors. Very nice. Okay. Well, let's look and see. I know I haven't really showed you the canvas yet, but I'm fixing to. So there's 3, 4, 5. Whoop. One of the boys just hit that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I have 6. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. My bad. But look at that color palette. Y'all see that? Without me taking them all out. All the bright colors. Very pretty. This is going to be gorgeous. So, we have got AB 996. And they're really nice. I'm going to tell you, because the other canvas that I had ABs in it too. And this is my favorite purple, which is 550. So that's cool. And then we have 704. Very bright and shiny. 712. And then we have 5200. Alright. So this is the image. Now, I know I should have went bigger. I still see the detail in this. But, you know, yes, I probably should have gone bigger. But, I wanted a smaller canvas. I have been doing big canvases lately, and I'm just would like to have a finish. But you can see it does have the schematic on the top right, lower left. Both has a thumbnail. Again, here is the item number for the canvas. And as you can see, hopefully, it is extremely clear. Very clear drill field. Okay? Extremely sticky. So, again, you can get this bigger than 45 by 45. They go up to 100. A 90 by 100. It's something like that. They go up really, really big. The smallest, I think, is a 30 by 40. So, yeah. So, let's see. 39, 40, 38, 37, and 36. Okay, so number 39 is this blue, It's up here in the sky. Plus, they give you plenty of drills. I think that's it. I think that it's just right in here for that. And then we have number 38, which is going to be in the moon, and then some in the shirt. 40 is H in the moon. Yeah, these are going to be in the moon. And then we have this symbol, which is in the grass and in the trees. And then the purple is all in their clothes and around in the fire. Now, you can add your own ABs, because as I look at this, I think it would be really pretty to add ABs in the fire and in the little fairy lights. Now, had I gotten this bigger, it probably would have came with larger, or with more ABs. But for this size, they felt like 5 ABs were enough. So, what do y'all think? What do y'all think about this canvas? I'm going to show you the canvas that I've been working on, which is from the same artist, Kimmy. So, this is the one that I unboxed last time. And you can see the sparkle on these drills are awesome. Very pretty, very clear, no issues for the most part. So, which I'll do a, once I finish that, I'll do a review on it. But I just wanted to show you what it looked like with drills on it. I cannot wait to do this. I think it's gorgeous. And I love the colors that are in it. So yeah, very pretty, very pretty. So I do have a discount code that you can use, which I will also leave in the description box, along with the link to this specific canvas. Y'all, I'm not going to get this in there. Oh well, it's good enough. So yeah. And I love that they have the inventory sheet with these. It's very nice. So I do have, like I said, a 10% off coupon code you can use at checkout. Gives you 10% off your total. And I think that's it. So check out my description box. That's where all the info is going to be. And I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.